Hi guys, welcome to another passion project video. Yeah, this is what it is. So let's get into business. Let's get into business. What will I be showing you today? I think I showed you guys last time. I don't know. I have no idea how this project came to be. I just know there was this folder and I was creating. This was not meant to be the project. My passion projects are very random. Like I really do not know how they come about. Most of the time I'm just sitting down with my system working on something and I was like, oh, this would make a very nice passion project, or I should really try this out. And that's what actually led to this. I discovered, oh, I need to create more Gsap animations and to understand fully how to create Gsap animations. But as I was doing that, I discovered there were a whole lot of libraries apart from Gsap. And I was like, all right. I need to learn how to use all those libraries. And where am I getting libraries from? Yeah, there's this link. Brad Travesty has this repo in which there is a lot of, well, as the repos suggest, design resources for developers. And these are the things I was working with. I'm not using chat library, although I probably should try them out. But for now, nah. I've used Apex and Chat.js. Yeah, cool. But for now, this is what I'm using. JavaScript animation libraries. And basically I was just working with Green Socks, that's GSAP, quite a lot. But I'm thinking of trying out the rest. So yeah, I might just have like one project concerning the rest. At least one of everything, just to like, yeah, I've used this library, I've checked them out. So before I post the video, I might have. I'm posting the video now, so I won't have. But before Sunday evening, if you're watching this video like Sunday evening, I should have tried at least most of them. I've tried Parallax and I've tried Scroll Magic, but I don't think I've tried the rest here. So, mm, like they actually do have like very freaking nice animations. So let's see what we'll be working on today. Vue3 Gsap animations. I would have to replace Gsap with just Vue3 animations, to be honest. I think I should do that now. So index in the index page. And when you click explore this animation, this is pure CSS by the way. Pure CSS. When you go to explore, you enter this page, and basically all the animations here were not I did not sit down to recreate this animation. I did not sit down to create these animations. I took them from CodePen, YouTube, GitHubs. I just searched for GSAP animations and found a lot. And apart from the first one and probably discard animations, the rest were not really mine. So that's a disclaimer. And yeah, let's jump into them. What I did here was make them responsive because the designs were not responsive, and rewrote them in like Gsap 3 and Vue.js because all of them were like vanilla. So the first one is first animation. It basically does the same thing that the first animation does, but now it comes with a reverse button. So you can reverse the animations. Nice. Let me check. Do I really have time to go through all the animations? Yeah, 10 minutes video max. Basically the file structure. Let me go through the file structure before I go through the animations in case there's not enough time. We have all the pages. So page one, that's the animations. Page two, that's the animations. I wanted to keep them compact, so I have the animations all in one file. So page 10, that's the animations. So some of these files might be very long because I did not split them into several components because I want you developers to just come when you see an animation, like come to the GitHub page, go to the page number and view all the animations. You need to recreate it. If this was a professional, if you're working like professionally or your workplace, you'd have to like separation of concerns, keep this into folders, extract these old functions into other things, like you don't clot your main page and have other CSM, HTML files. Separate this, separate that. You know how to go about with all this. So basically, views, types, router, same router I use for all my projects. EPA files that is actually useless to think about it. It's used, which is basically the list of all the animations, their index and the order in which they are in. Styles, that's for the index page. That this index page is a very good example of how you should structure your animations and designs if you're working like if this was a corporate setting or if this was for work. You see this index. I'm importing my CSS. I did not just put all the CSS here. So CSS are under styles and I'm importing them here. The Gsap animations are under scripts and which is under assets and I'm importing them here. The images too, same thing. This is how you should actually see all of them. If I should close this, if I should remove white spaces, there should be like about 40 lines of code in total, which is not really much. And this is what you should be trying to like keep your file very short and easy to read. So basically, assets is actually very simple. This is nothing complex. So the animations might be tricky, but if you just read through the code, Gsap is really very easy. So yeah. Welcome screen animation. Yeah, we have that. And you can also replay because it's Gsap. You can always replay. You can go backwards. You can reverse. Gsap has this one was reverse. This one was replay. Credit card animation was reverse play. Then when you click on it again, it reverses it. Which was actually nice and cool. Juice websites. This I used parallax here. These leaves should be parallax. Should have parallax effects, but yeah. That was one of the websites that gave me issues making responsive because a lot of things I had to just get rid of eventually. But I did make it responsive. Animated travel app. I think this is YouTube. YouTube. Add to cart button. This is pure CSS. I was seeing somewhere where someone said that it would not use this thing. It would use Gsap instead of pure CSS. And I'm like, if you can use a pure CSS for your design, you should most likely use pure CSS instead of Gsap. Just that sometimes you might need other things. And well. Yeah. This is me using the over effects library for this image, which is nice. It's a very nice library. This is pure CSS too. This is not pure. This is Gsap and CSS. Home. Yeah, you can check them out. This is Scroll Trigger library. I think this video is from YouTube. Scroll Trigger, which is very fun. You can create a lot of animations with Scroll Trigger because as you are scrolling, it's animating. As you are scrolling, it's animating, which is just fun. Yeah. So that's basically this week's passion project. I'll add more. There are 12 here. They're supposed to be 40. Like I had 40 animations, but I don't have all the time in the world and well, I'm doing other things. So yeah, you will have to manage this 12 till I add more. And they are not going to be GSAPs anymore. They are going to be these libraries here. Who knows? I might just find something that I actually like. So yeah, guys, that's all for. Let me put Gsap because I like this Gsap. I like this Gsap animation. I just put it there. So that's all for today. Exactly 10 minutes that I wanted the video to be. If If you have any questions, reach out to me. My Twitter and everything is always in the description. You can find it on my channel. Like, subscribe, contribute to the projects, view other open source projects that I've been working on. I have like 10 passion projects. So I said 10. Yeah, roughly it should be 10. But I think this should be the ninth one. Yeah. You know the drill. Share, subscribe, like, and whatnot. Bye, guys. Till next time.